Hello everyone and welcome to the Kiki London YouTube channel. My name is Amanda and in today's video I have a very exciting brand new launch to share with you all, as today launches the Kiki London Spring Macaron Collection, and I have been so excited to share this one as I know you are going to absolutely love it. So in this collection we have 8 brand new springy pastel shades that all have a really beautiful and subtle black speckled macaron effect to them. So first of all, let's take a look at all of the colors, and then of course we will be swatching them all and taking a closer look at them all. So first up we have the absolutely beautiful blueberry whisk, which is a really dreamy baby blue shade. And then next up we have Lush Lavender. As mentioned, all of these colours have this kind of blacky grey speckled effect to them, similar to an eggshell effect, and it is really, really beautiful. Lush Lavender here has to be one of my top favourites in this collection. Next up we have Mint Lolly. I really love mint shades and I feel as though the greeny minty colours have been really popular so far this spring, so I can see this one being a popular one. I just love the base colours to these, but I love that they have this really unique macaron effect to them. I haven't seen anything like this in a gel polish collection before, so I'm really excited to start creating designs with them. Next up we have Peach Puff, which as you can see is a really beautiful pastel spring peach shade. I've done my best to play around with the lighting in this video as well to kind of try and represent the colours as true to the colour as possible. Then here we have the beautiful Marshmallow Delight. There are 2 pinks in this collection. This one is more on the lighter baby pink side and the other one is more of a brighter pink shade. They are both absolutely beautiful and very different from each other. Here we then have the gorgeous Sweet Lime. This one kind of gives me key lime pie vibes just by the name, but it's a really gorgeous pastel lime pink. It's very, very unique to the Kiki collection color-wise, I feel, as well as having that black speckled effect to it as well. These are going to be really, really popular for spring, but a lot of the colors are quite versatile, so you'll be definitely taking them into your summer now designs as well. Next up we have Cookies and Cream. This one is as delicious as it sounds. It's one of those colours that the name describes it absolutely perfectly. And then lastly we have that second pink that I mentioned, which is Strawberry Smoothie, and I really like this one because out of the collection it's quite bright. The rest are all a bit more on the pastel side and this one is that little bit more brighter. So that is the 8 colours in this collection and I have been dying to swatch them all, so I really hope you all enjoy watching. I will be swatching on my Kiki London colour swatch file. You'll see when I open this up it's looking very full. This is the last collection that I'm going to fit in this particular one, but I absolutely love how it displays all of the colours. It does also come with a handy tip stand that you pop your tips on, so it makes swatching an absolute dream. So let's jump in and start swatching. First of all, we have that gorgeous Cookies and Cream. And like I said, this colour is exactly what it says on the bottle. It is an exact match for Cookies and Cream. It's a really creamy, dreamy white shade, but having those black speckles in there just really gives off that Cookies and Cream vibe. I really like this one, and because it's a nice neutral colour, it's going to be brilliant paired up with any of your other colours. And it's also going to make a great base for nail art as well. Second up we have the beautiful Peach Puff. I really like this one and I think this one especially pairs up really nicely with the Lush Lavender and the Mint Lolly as well, if you want to go for a bit more of a contrasting colour selection. Again, what I love about a lot of the Kiki London collections is you will find that a lot of the colours pair up, or even in trios work really beautifully together. So there we have the beautiful Peach Puff. Next up, we have a Marshmallow Delight, which is the lighter shade of the two pinks. And this one is just a really super sweet light pink shade. It kind of gives off the mini egg vibes with that black speckled effect, because that does give off that little bit of an eggshell look as well. If you are familiar with the Kiki London eggshell top coat, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. But these colours, the eggshell effect is a lot more subtle. Then this one is up there with my top favorites. This is Mint Lolly. When I first see the collection, I thought straight away, instantly, this is going to be my favorite color. But then when I received the collection and started playing around with them, it was really hard to pick a favorite. As you can see though, it is a beautiful, delightful mint shade, and again, it kind of, like the cookies and cream gives off the cookies and cream ice cream vibe, this gives off mint choc chip ice cream vibes to me. I think this would pair up beautifully with the cookies and cream. Going back to talking about favorites, if you are watching this video and you've already got a favorite color in mind, please do comment below and tell me which color in this collection is your favorite. All of these colors are available individually and as a collection on the Kiki London website as of now, so do check out the link in the description box below. So here we have the beautiful Lush Lavender. As you can see, it's a really pretty light lavender color. It is the perfect spring pastel shade. Every spring collection needs a lavender. This is just absolutely beautiful. Then we have the gorgeous Blueberry Whisk. I love that all the names on this collection kind of have a connection to food in some way. I think it's just really cutesy. The whole collection has that very, obviously going with the macaron theme, but it all has a very cutesy vibe to it, which I feel is really lovely for this time of year. We're going into those longer, brighter days, so it's nice to finally have some new colours that match that vibe. Then we have the gorgeous Sweet Lime. I really love this one. Again, this one is on a little bit more of a brighter tone. It pairs up really nicely with the Strawberry Smoothie, which I actually swatch next to it as well. But you can see here it worked really well with that Blueberry Whisk as well, and the Lush Lavender. I cannot wait to start seeing everyone's designs with these colours and what other colours in your collections you end up putting them with. I really love the whole macaron effect that they have, and I think personally I can't wait to start using these in some abstract designs. I think they'll work really well in that abstract effect, maybe with things like some greenery and some florals. I am also feeling though that a kind of sweet treat style set of nails needs to be done with them because of how food orientated a lot of the nails are. So now that we have done the first coat of colour, we're going to pop these in to cure for 30 seconds. I'm working with an LED lamp. If you are using a UV lamp, you will need to cure for 2 minutes. Now this is one coat done over a white base, and I was very impressed with the coverage. Obviously over a white base, lighter colours are going to pop more. So I personally think if you was using, say for example, the rubber colour base in 09, which is a white base coat, you could probably in certain sets get away with only needing one coat of colour because of how much these colours are very highly pigmented and they all have that gorgeous creamy consistency. However, it is recommended to do 2 thin coats. So although they are very pigmented, one coat is going to work brilliant for certain nail art designs in my opinion, but if you're doing a full cover nail, then 2 coats are recommended. But you can just see here coming in and bringing in that second coat of colour, it just makes the colour pop that little bit more. There's already plenty of opacity in one coat, but coming in and applying that second coat of colour just makes it pop a little bit more and gives you a bit more of an even coverage. I love the effect it gives with the eggshell black speckles in there as well. Because you're coming in with a second layer, it adds in more of those, so it kind of gives a bit of dimension and definitely brings in more of that eggshell slash macaron effect. And where it's nice and subtle as well, I think these definitely will be colors that you can use outside of the Easter and spring season as well. Obviously the colors are very on trend for spring, but I personally think the cookies and cream will be a colour I'd reach for all year round because it's quite neutral. And then the blueberry whisk and the strawberry smoothie are lovely and bright, same as mint lolly, that you could definitely take them into summer as well. So I personally think it's a very versatile collection. So there I've just sped through and we've done that second coat on all of the nails. I am keeping that second coat quite thin because you do want to keep your gel polish layers nice and thin. Once you have applied the second coat of colour, this is what they look like. If anything, I do feel as though the colours themselves are quite pigmented. So the second coat does just give you a little bit more of the Macaron eggshell effect. We're then going to pop that second coat in to cure for a further 30 seconds, and then we are ready to come in and top coat. But just look how beautiful and dreamy these colours look. I am totally obsessed and I cannot wait to start doing a set. And it's kind of like a design nail art set. So if you do have any ideas, do leave them in the comments below because the next few videos will definitely be featuring a lot of these colours. So to top coat, I'm going to use the Kiki London No Wipe Rubber Top Coat. This is a thicker consistency top coat, but I love using this in my swatch file because then it's a bit more durable if I'm constantly taking the nails in and out and looking at them. Because it's a rubber top coat though, it is that little bit thicker. So I'm just making sure to apply a nice thin coat. It gives off a beautiful high shine though, so I do absolutely love this top coat. So as I mentioned, this collection is now on sale as of 11 AM today, so do head on over to the Kiki London website, which is linked in the description box below, to check it out. If you are purchasing any colours, do let me know in the comments below what colours you are going for or what are your favourites. And of course, when you do create your Kiki London sets, don't forget to tag us on the Kiki London Instagram page so we can see what you are creating with the collection. I really hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. The launch videos are some of my absolute favourite videos to do because I love sharing the new collections with you. But of course, I can't wait to share some designs with you and get using these colours. I've definitely got to do a set of nails on myself with them as I am dying to wear them. The rubber top coat, by the way, does require a 60-second cure in an LED lamp. So I've popped that in to cure for 60 seconds. And this, guys, is the finished result. Look at that shine and look at those gorgeous, gorgeous colours. I really hope you all love this collection as much as I do. If you did also enjoy today's video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me that comment below telling me what colour in this collection is your favourite and any design ideas that you would like to see up on the channel using this collection. If you are not already subscribed to the channel, please also hit that subscription button as I upload videos every single Friday and you don't want to miss out all the designs we're going to be creating with this collection. I hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. I have left a couple of pictures of the collection for you guys to check out, and I've tried to play around the lighting a little bit just so you can see a little bit more of a true representation of what they may look like. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful Monday. Lots of love. Take care. Bye bye.